traditional album sales down 16%, right? Like digital
Yep.
single sales down 25%. So we're just not buying music anymore, buying it to hold on to anyway.
Certainly digital is going through this transformation much more quickly than physical is. The technologically advanced consumer is realizing the value that is in streaming and is shifting over from sales to just access much more quickly than it is in physical. Physical has some things holding it up. I mean, obviously, you do have a consumer that maybe hasn't switched over to digital yet, but you also have a consumer that is in love with vinyl. You know, that consumer is getting to be a significant piece of the physical business. This year it was about 11% of the total physical business.
To your DJ superfans,
Yes.
completists, they will still go get the vinyl.
Yeah, they love the vinyl.
So we're not looking at an industry that is in free fall, basically.
No, certainly not. I think people that look at the traditional metrics of album sales are really only looking at a small fraction of the total industry. But if you bring streaming into that, you bring all the consumption in, you see an industry that's very healthy.
You mentioned Adele, also Drake, the rapper, had a good year, right, with his album Views.
Fantastic year, yeah.
And then I remember Chance the Rapper did pretty well too, almost exclusively on streaming.
Yeah, it was exclusively on streaming, and that's, I think, one of the really interesting things. And the Grammys, you know, the Grammy board is recognizing Chance for what he has done this year as well. You've got streaming is the only component to the charts that Chance the Rapper had this year, and he stayed on the top 200 chart for 33 straight weeks and counting. He's still on the charts, and yeah, to get